The 1980 Summer Olympics are an example of the strategies regarding containment based on the alliance system that was specific to the Cold War and the two-side boycotting. Containment, being a strategy adopted by the United States that seek to prevent the spread of communism during the Cold War, can be identified in the alliance system that took place during the Cold War, in which countries would join one side of the war depending on their ideology and system. In the case of the Soviet Union, it was ruled by a socialist system, while the United States had a capitalist ideology. Both of these ideologies oppose one another, since socialists view capitalism as a threat to people's happiness and equality, while socialism seemed to be a threat to capitalism because it reduced the market available to capitalists, and it allegedly took away people's freedom. In the 1980 Olympic Games, which were set in Moscow, the US boycotted the Games along with 60 other countries because they were set in the Soviet Union, US's enemy. Boycotting the opposite side was a strategy that both sides usually took up on.
Furthermore, other examples of this containment strategy are the US blockades against communist countries, such as the United States economic embargo against Cuba, which aimed to isolate Cuba from international commerce. This was a form of containment because other countries feared that the US would order a blockade against them, thus avoiding the spread of communism. However, it does not display the military aspect of the Cold War. It does not show war strategies, only negotiation strategies meant to contain communism. In conclusion, the 1980 Summer Olympics do exemplify the Cold War dynamics, but only regarding a containment strategy, the alliance system, and boycotts. However, it does not show other aspects of the Cold War dynamics, such as war strategies.